Today I'm going to be reviewing HICC Pet's ear cleaner finger wipes for dogs and cats. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. As you can see here, I've got my little friend here, Roomba, and she's going to help me try this out. They have both a 50 count and a 100 count here. They also have this coming in coconut scent, honey scent, and unscented. This particular one is the 50 coconut smell. Ooh, it smells pretty good. That's what it looks like inside. And this is actually what you put on your finger. You can see it has the ridges. All you do is slip this on your finger. I'm going to show you with Roomba here. We're going to go ahead and just clean her ears. Hopefully she won't freak out here, and it shouldn't hurt her. I need to do some trimming on her hair. You're just going to rub that in there. It's going to clean out her ears. Now she's not loving this. If you have ear wax in there, anything removes the dirt, the wax, just get it in there. It's not going to hurt them. Not much really came on there. I'm going to do the other ear again. Definitely very nice to have. I've noticed sometimes her ears smell. She's going to smell it. You're disgusting, dog. Anyways, really easy to use. These are 100% biodegradable, plant-based. This does extremely well on Amazon. Not only is it an Amazon overall pick, which I love to see, it's got 4.6 stars, over 4,300 reviews, and last month, of just the coconut 50 pack, 4,000 of these were bought. People are liking them. It even says customers usually keep this item, which I also love to see. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.